So first of all, Schaeffler is a German-based company acting globally. So we have 85,000 people globally. We are in 75 manufacturing plants worldwide, and we are in all regions. So we have 4 regions, and Asia Pacific is maybe the region where we do more growth, more new projects, and this is what we do in Vietnam. I personally, from 2014 to 2018, I was the regional CEO of Schaeffler for Asia Pacific, where we kind of restructured Asia Pacific. We started the growth strategies in Asia Pacific, and Vietnam was one of the focus areas. And that was actually my very first contact to FPT, my very first contact to Dr. Bean, when I called him and we had an exchange, and we said, we are not yet local, we don't have yet a factory in Vietnam, so we want to build up one. And he said, I will support you, will support you from the very beginning. And that's what we did, meanwhile. And then we inaugurated, we built a factory in Bien Hoa, close to Ho Chi Minh City. And from the very beginning, we built that factory up as a high quality, high technology, and really digital factory. And that's what is our main project between Schaeffler and FPT from the very beginning, doing digitalization in this brand new factory. And this is extremely positive and successful. We at Schaeffler, obviously, we made a digitalization roadmap. So how, again, we are an automotive industrial company, but a very much technology-driven company. We want to introduce much more digital solutions, smarter solutions. So in this digital factory projects or roadmap, we are co-working very intense with FPT. We have established 4 pilot factories worldwide, where we say these factories we really transform to digital factories, and there Bien Hoa is one of them. From the very beginning, we introduced projects like shop floor management, digital solution to bring the material to the line. The vision of the factory is through digital help to really optimize and maximize the use of the capital, of the investments that we do. There we define standards, and then these standards ideally we roll out into our other locations all around the world. It's not only the passion, it's the competence that the team shows. And what always makes me very happy is the focus on the customer, really on us, to understand what we need to understand our situation, the willingness to invest, and with this helping us being successful. Like in every partnership, in the beginning you need to learn, you need to understand each other. Now this we have done. We have now already developed many good solutions. I think you're competitive, you bring good solutions, you're agile. And as again, we have set up with you the ODC in Ho Chi Minh City. Now what is the next level? The next level is making the systems smarter. So we have connected data, we have made data transparent, we have connected the different modules to our systems. But now we need to get to a point where we make the data smarter, make it more autonomous, so self-learning data. I think that's a next level that I would expect and hopefully to do together with FPT.